Hello there. So we're cooking again. Let's have a look what we've got.
Oh.
You may have seen the film The Godfather. In The Godfather,
What about if you haven't seen the film The Godfather?
I
can't believe you haven't seen that.
It's not mandatory for this cooking sketch, and you
Okay.
could go and watch it. There is an Italian ragu stew kind of thing that is made by Clemenza in one of the scenes. The thing is, it's about 40 seconds where we actually see the cooking, and then the action moves on. There's a lot of speculation as to what is it called, this thing that is being made, and what was in it. We know some of the things that would have been in it because we saw it on screen. We also have to guess that there would have been other things that would have been added off screen. So what we're going to do here is we're going to look at the ingredients that were on the screen. We're going to speculate about the ones that are off screen. And then we're going to talk about a little bit in the next video about what actually this dish might have been. Because I have a feeling that it's not got much to do with actual Italian cooking. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So down here, we've got some meatballs. So that's part of the sketch. We have pork and mince together with onion, garlic and parsley. Here we have some sausages, we have some garlic, we have in here, we're already sweating these, some onion, and we've also got some Chianti.
Sorry.
Yeah, no.
I was just checking it was the right one.
Fine Chianti. No, you've been watching Hannibal. Some nice tomatoes and some tomato puree. So we know that's in the film.
Yeah.
I think in addition what would probably have happened
Totally seen The Godfather.
is that there would have been some stock used. I've got some nice, they call this demi-glaze here, this stuff at the bottom.
I thought it was like half a Guinness in there.
And we're going to guess that some parmesan was put on the end. I think a nice little bit of bay leaf would be good too. Yeah. And we picked up some nice pasta. Okay, so what we've got here, we've got the pasta, the onion sweating away. In the sketch in The Godfather, he puts the garlic in first. I don't recommend that because it's going to burn your garlic.
Yeah.
So don't do that. We're going to sweat this down. Then we're going to add the garlic.
Yeah.
Then we're going to fry the sausage and meatballs. And we'll see you in the next scene when we've put this all together into our ragu.